One wrong confrontation can flip everything in the most unexpected way. Even the gentlest animals can unleash unbelievable power when pushed too far. Stick around as WOWTV dives into when animals messed with the wrong opponent. When a buffalo's motherly instinct kicks in, even lions think twice. The leopard strolls right into baboon territory, and it clearly overestimated its chances. Numbers don't always win. Sheer confidence was all the buffalo needed to turn the whole fight around. The wild's harsh survival game shows itself once again. So what's the outcome when this lizard faces a pack of fierce dogs? Do you think this zebra can escape the swamp's true king? The hawk locked onto its target. But the hunt fell apart the moment it faced one fearless mother hen. Facing a swift pack of cheetahs, the Nyala bull's odds look grim. Oh, but that doesn't mean it can't happen. Like a true hunter, the octopus strikes first and grabs the drought-bored shark, the ruler of these waters.
Yeah.
Be careful when swimming in unfamiliar waters. You never know what might pop up.
Get the Hey, that's all right. Get the passes.
He's away. You probably should run back. You're mean.
Oh shit, this is
freaking mean.
I bet it does the same.
Luck doesn't always show up, especially for this young lion caught in a bad spot. A tough lesson about stepping into another animal's territory.
We better roll.
Just another daily showdown between the elephants out on safari. here's the moment that proves tortoises can confuse any predator, even a lion. And even an alligator has to back off when faced with that rock-solid shell. A bold rhino steps up to challenge an elephant. But what it didn't expect was facing not one, but an entire powerhouse herd. When mating season hits, male giraffes enter one of nature's most unusual battles, a full-on neck-off to win the heart of a female.
I actually got that on video.
Did you really?
Grizzlies usually react strongly to loud noises, so it's surprising to see this one stay calm despite the dog's nonstop barking. I was hoping the octopus could slip away. But the wild doesn't always give us the ending we want. But a feast isn't guaranteed, not with lions involved.
Get him, girl. Get him, miss.
Oh no!
So, have you figured out who really runs this dock yet?
Oh! That's hilarious.
All right, come on. No, no.
Come on. Oh my god. He's gonna do it.
Oh! Oh my god! What? Oh my god, the other one's swimming away! Whoa! They were literally mating.
Next up, watch how a zebra pulls off an escape using sheer speed and survival instinct, only on WOWTV. Don't let a swan's elegance fool you. They're way more aggressive than they look. Luckily, the dog made it back to shore just in time. Looks like this deer picked the wrong opponent. The car didn't budge an inch despite its outburst.
Goodness gracious.
A neighborly showdown breaks out, And the gorilla peacekeeper is working tirelessly. Quiet rest? Impossible when you've got a mischievous friend like this.
On dat ne.
This is the first time I've ever seen a goose shift the odds and take on 2 swans at once. The lioness never misses a chance when prey wanders into her territory. And in the wild, you know, the weaker one rarely gets a second shot. It may look delicate, but a spider's web is surprisingly powerful. Just look, that snake is completely caught in its trap. Outnumbered by a whole group of sharks, the stingray's chances were slim from the start. This video shows you how an octopus hunts, using color changes to mesmerize its target. Establishing dominance is always a tense game among shepherd dogs. And this noisy showdown ends with neither side taking a clear lead. The cat's hesitation is exactly what turned the whole moment around. The penguin gave everything it had to escape the seal. But in the end, it couldn't outrun the predator's speed. Looks like both sides realized they were evenly matched, so they chose to stop instead of pushing on. With the porcupine's built-in armor, every predator ends up at a disadvantage.
Oh, wow! Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Poopa!
Look at those little guys. I can't believe it.
Hunting is only the first step. The real challenge is keeping the prize. Even when the catch slips away, the fight doesn't stop there. A tough shell and pure persistence helped the crab turn the tables on the octopus. The showdown begins between the leopard and the savannah's true daredevil. There's more than one way to deal with the mischievous troublemaker.
Karen?
A childhood question finally answered. Croc versus Shark. Who comes out on top?
Oh, 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 that got his chomp. Someone just going. Oh. What?
Who would have thought the ambush master would end up missing both targets? The hawk got a little too confident and loosened its grip. That gives the lucky squirrel the perfect chance to escape. This has to be the boldest honey badger I've ever seen. And the price of that curiosity is... Slipping past the gatekeeper, the hawk actually made it into the coop. But thanks to the rooster's quick reaction, the hen stayed safe from the intruder.
Whoa, my.
With a tough snack like this, I think that lion's teeth might need a checkup. Hard to believe a little goose can overpower a mini tiger. And even a full-grown one.
录了没？录了没？这块儿吓的。
Surprise ambushes often give predators the upper hand. In the race for a meal, the prize goes to the stronger and the more patient. Comment below and tell us who you think won this battle. How to turn yourself into a joke. Step 1. Pick the wrong fight.
А не надо его туда, а то он сейчас за дверь зацепится и поймет, что можно залезть. Он уже это понял.
Even the lions have to give in when their cubs decide it's playtime. Surrounded by 4 cats, the rat stays surprisingly calm as it looks for a way out. Sneaking into the yard without permission, the coyote gets dealt with instantly by the rooster. The crocodile planned its hunt well, but the first 2 attempts failed. And it was the impala's moment of carelessness that made the 3rd one work. Karma in the animal world is way more entertaining than you'd expect. Herding skills for sheep don't exactly work the same when it comes to cows. When all you want is peace and quiet, but the neighbor crow is determined to bother you. This time, even with its tough shell and sharp claws, the crab couldn't escape the octopus's clever hunting strategy. A dramatic clash between two kings, one of land, one of water. And surprisingly, it's the crocodile that takes the win, not the lions. Foxes are quick to seize an opportunity, but this one lost it thanks to the rooster and its owner. Today, the Mongoose is here to show you why it's the most famous snake hunter around. Small but confident, the vulture strolls across the savannah without the slightest fear of the lions nearby. Sheep are known for being gentle, but that doesn't mean they never lose their temper. With claws tough as steel, the crab locks onto its opponent on the very first try. Which moment do you think was the best? Drop a comment and let us know. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. See you next time!